Welcome back to Unboxing Life with Mike and Sarah. We're spitting our way through Disneyland with my little brother Mark.
Along for the adventure.
Alright, don't forget, we are giving away the GoPro Hero 11 Black this holiday season. The link is in the video and in the description down below. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do is comment in that video that the link goes to. Alright, see you guys.
Alright, we're gonna travel to it. Sarah wants to twirl. So you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! We made it. We're here at Disneyland. Look how beautiful my girlfriend looks. She's adorable. We're gonna start riding all the rides. All right, first stop, Space Mountain. You ready? Let's go. Oh, they just got them proposed. I almost said imposed. But her nails aren't on.
Yes, they are.
Oh, I thought she said they weren't. All right, well, Disneyland magic, here we come. Woo! All right, here we are at Space Mountain. Ah. Space Mountain. Baby, you ready? So excited. Let's get it. Oh my God. This one is upside down? No, right? Let's check it out. Ready? What? Yeah, there is. It was really nice. Wow. Alright, that was crazy. We just got off Space Mountain. Oh my God, it throws you around so much. Like, oh, I have a headache. Oh yeah, let's check out our photo. Let's check it out.
I think how we're not in the same park.
I had my hand in my face.
Oh, you're in mine. Good.
Oh, where's Mark?
You're in mine.
Oh, that one looks better. So cute. Are we getting pulled by a horse?
Yes, it's okay.
Of course. Really?
Yeah.
We got time. We got the castle right there. We got the store. Really? Another one? Oh my God. Mark taking a million photos of us from behind today.
They would be cute photo ops.
Whoa, yeah, I got more.
Oh, thanks.
No, it's not you, it's my mom. Yeah, you gotta go. Oh, sorry, yeah, you gotta go. Oh my God, look at that.
This is my favorite thing to eat here. It's raspberry macaroon.
Wow.
It's me and my sister's favorite.
Oh my God, there's actual raspberries in there?
Yeah, it's so good.
It is filled. All right, babe, take first bite.
Gosh.
Oh my God.
So good.
Does it taste good?
It's built for us.
Wow. Look at the view we got too. The castle's over there. Oh, I got a pumpkin muffin and I got this cool cinnamon roll. I'm splitting with Mark. Let's see if he gets here. Oh, there he is. Good? Alright. Oh. Here we are. Are you ready, babe? Can't hear you, but yeah.
Aye,
ready.
Captain.
Mark's ready. Mark's mic'd in the back on this ride.
Your strap is bothering me.
Well, who cares? Oh, what are you trying to reach? Oh, reach around. Wow, how long is this? I probably shouldn't have started recording yet. Whoa.
Can you read that, Michael?
Yeah. The path in the front is always back.
Whoa, it's like we're caving again.
Do not disturb the bats.
Wait, my voice just changed.
Are you there? Come in. Speaking
eyes are forbidden. If you look, your eyes are gonna get scooped out. Okay, y'all. We're gonna take a tight spin. Hey. Why is there water, y'all? Here we go.
You looked into my eyes. Your path now.
Okay. I think we're good, y'all. Come drive with me again soon, y'all.
Alright, so we just got off the Indiana Jones ride. Sarah loves that ride. It's one of her favorites. It's kind of like, if I could say a ride, it's kind of like the dinosaur ride from Disney World. But Indiana Jones version, so it was really fun. Mark, what do you think? Did you have fun?
Yeah, I liked that. Except for traps.
Oh yeah, so there's a lot of traps in the walls and on the floors.
Stop going into your broken voice that you have right now.
Wait till you see the traps that are sprung in the Indiana Jones wild ride. We'll see you guys next time. Alright, we got our teacup. Alright, I need to have a corner piece. Can Mark sit on that side?
Is she able to get it on that side?
And, oh. Well, there we go. Okay, that's it. Okay. Alright.
They're not gonna be able to see anything.
How about you look up? I'll spin.
Here, we get them together. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! How we doing?
Beautiful view.
You ready? Going on the Nemo ride.
Welcome aboard, Explorers.
Here we go. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh boy.
Welcome aboard, Explorers.
Thank you.
Swimming all the way down.
Just swimming all the way down. Okay. Babe, I'm just gonna swim down here, okay? Well, I don't like that I'm underneath everybody else walking down. Oh, this is cool. Hi, love. Best part is we're right next to the exit.
But now that I think of it, my biggest fear would be getting evacuated off of this.
This never was underwater.
I know, but if we're in the cave and then being in the cave.
The cave is all out of
It's all out of
I
water.
know, but being evacuated.
It'll be cool.
Hey, baby.
This is a popular spot for divers.
Ooh.
Exotic fish.
Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god, man. What's her name? That's horrible. Whoa. Oh, look at that big fish. Yeah, good job. Good job. That is a grouper right there.
In shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work.
They really gotta like get in here, huh?
These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Unearthed by a tremendous volcanic
Do I look sexy?
Still 40 degrees.
Oh look, there's a diver in there.
Mind your distance to port starboard.
Hey, gum gum, give me gum gum. Hey, yo, dum dum. The story. Oh, jellyfish. Wow. This ride was so much fun. Oh my god. Mark, how was it for you?
Bright and dark.
Bright and dark.
Yeah, some parts are really bright and then other parts were like really dark.
Really
I
dark.
didn't tell if you were closing your eyes at all.
That's why I actually stopped recording because it just got too dark at one point. And I was like, it's no point, yeah. So that was the, what is it? Finding Nemo.
They should make an after
ride.
dark of those.
Yeah, Sarah's all set, but that was awesome. I give it like 5
Because you have
thumbs
to
up.
like shove your head in this to actually see.
Yeah, that's the only issue is you really gotta like put your head in here, so you're like this the whole time. Yeah. But it's fun.
But I conquered my fear.
Yeah, you did a great job, babe. Good job. I will catch you guys in the next ride. Let's go. Time for the jungle cruise.
Everybody, my name is Red, and I will be your skipper and part-time giraffe choreographer for as far as we actually make it today. Fingers crossed, all the way back and dry. That's always the goal, right?
Yes.
No? Halfway and wet. Quarter way and soaked.
Try
Doesn't matter? You don't even want to go back. That's fine. Please remain seated. Supervise your children. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. We're now entering into the Amazon rainforest where it rains every single day, but only on this side of the boat. Isn't that weird? It's so weird. Nature is amazing. Now, quick show of hands. How many of you guys want to see some danger? You're sure, right?
Yeah, we good.
All right.
A little danger. Oh, look, right there.
I assume if you did not laugh that you cannot read. All right, over to the right-hand side of the boat, that is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where famed archaeologist Dr. Henry Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure, but in reality, I've been right over here this whole time. Oh my gosh. Right over here is the Himalayan tiger. Wow. Yeah, sometimes Himalayan over there, sometimes Himalayan back there, and sometimes Himalayan right here in the center of the boat.
Oh.
All right, folks, I know you don't come here for me and my corny jokes. You're here for one thing and one thing only. Here we are, the fabulous, the amazing, the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of
Oh, yeah. I got the burger. Mark got the pizza. It was already double that size, but like we're so hungry.
Kids nuggets.
Yeah, Sarah's over here with the little kid nuggets. Oh no, I lost the fry. But yeah, we are gonna dive into this because we're starving, and we'll see you guys on the next ride. What is the next ride? Splash. Oh, we're going skits. Splish splash. We're going on Splash Mountain. You guys excited?
I can't wait for monsters after.
Oh yeah, is that all you guys want?
Well, we're gonna go on the Splash, Winnie the Pooh, and then we're gonna park hop to do Guardians.
All right, we'll see you guys on the ride. Let's go. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God. There's nothing that straps you down. Jeez. Here we go. Oh, I'm already wet. Here we go, let's get it. Woo! Okay. Oh, my butthole. Oh, this hurts so much. Oh my God. Woo! Oh. Well then. Very beautiful. Look at the burrow rabbits. Very nice. Look at the burrow fox. Oh, you know something's up. We're gonna lean inside. I like that space. Look at the hills. You can't see it. Alright, this woman like broke her neck. Oh, shit. I don't know. There was something about this woman leaning this way. I don't know what she... Ah! I don't want to get wet. I was deflecting all the water. coming back from that. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. I'm literally soaked. Oh my God, I'm soaked. Do you see me? Oh. Oh my God. Woo! What? Why? Oh, photo time? Oh, stop! Stop! Oh. No, I got soaked earlier. This. Everything's wet. I can't even dry my GoPro lens off. It's just more water. Oh my God. Alright, you guys, how soaked are you? I'm literally like head to toe drenched. Really? Really? Mark, are you wet at all? Oh, Mark just dipped. I'm wet. I was in the front row though. Like when it was pitch black, I got drenched. It was like someone had a bucket and they were just like, woo.
Only on my right side, like it just like went over the boat.
Yeah, the only movie that would make me like.
Also, look, this was mine.
And
This looks so cute.
he actually has a name.
This is
Named
Sarah's.
after the AI.
She's sending it. Woohoo!
They're getting thinner.
Come on, bring it. Whoa. Oh, we're jumping. No, you don't want to jump. Jump. Go. Evil laugh. Babe, like on the wall. It's better when you fall. Oh yeah, be careful. Don't hurt your toes. Sorry. Alright. We go. Oh my God. There's no way. Oh, there's no way. I'm sorry. Oh God. There's no way. Sorry, everybody that had to watch that.
Okay, go ahead and lean back.
Thank you. Of course. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ow. 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 Oh. Wait, which hole is she going in? Alright, cool. Ooh. I didn't hear you holler. Yeah. Check out this transition. Bye, Tinkerbell.